Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to lock entire sheet in Excel. So, to lock all the sheet, first of all, click here to highlight the entire sheet and then right click anywhere in the sheet and here you can see format cell, go in protection and you can see the lock button is already checked. Click on OK and now go in review tab and here you can see protect sheet. Click on this. It is on up to you. You want to set password or you can leave it. So I am setting password as 123. Click on OK and again confirm the password and click on OK. Now this entire sheet is protected. You cannot write anywhere in this sheet. So this is how you can lock entire sheet in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.